Hey guys, and welcome to Ozzie Reviews. Today I'm checking out the Olight Javelot Turbo 2 kit. So this is how it comes in the box here. Like most of the hunting kits from Olight that I've reviewed, they come in this Pelican style case. So we'll open it up and you can see what's inside, nicely presented there. So let me take everything out and I'll run through it individually. So we've got a green filter here. Now green filters are great for foggy conditions. We've got a red filter, which is great for dogs and foxes when spotlighting of a night. We've got a USB-C charging cable. We've got a switch here, so this is a remote switch to activate the torch on and off, and a lanyard. We've got a mount for the switch, so almost like a watch really. You could put it around your wrist there and just have the switch on there. Got some 3M adhesives, safety warnings and the manual, a magnetic mount, and naturally the torch itself. So the torch is IP67 rated, so this means that it's completely dust proof, and you can also submerge it in 3.3 feet of water or 1 meter depth of water for up to 30 minutes. We've also got the 1 meter drop resistance with this. I mean, it's made from that tough aircraft grade aluminium housing. As I've said before, guys, with a lot of the Olights that I've used, you'd have to really punish them to, to really damage them. They are very tough. The weight of it with the battery is 430 grams or 15.17 ounces. Now, operating temperature between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius, or that's 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Length of it here, we're looking at 25.7 centimeters or 10.14 inches. So, it's not a massive torch, but it's still, decent enough there for obviously your hunting needs. The width at the front here, we're looking at 6.3 centimeters wide or 2.48 inches. So let me show you the coolest thing about this torch that I see so far, and that's this switch. So it's a remote switch, so all you need to do is just press it and the torch just comes straight on. Turn it off again, really straightforward. Now, what distance will this activate? I've walked out to about around about that 15 meters away and the torch still activates. So, if you're mounting a switch on a firearm, or you just simply have it on your arm there with the wristband, then obviously it's going to activate when you're carrying the torch, whether it's mounted to your firearm or not. Another thing I thought about, possibly, this magnet's pretty strong as well. You could mount that perhaps on your ute there, and you could use a remote switch there to activate the torch on and off. That's just another idea I had. So showing you around the torch a little bit more, we've just got a flip up cover here, and that has the USB-C port there. You can still charge from the magnetic part at the back of the torch like a lot of the other Olights, but obviously it's going to give a faster charge there from the USB-C. So coming around, you'll see the switch attachment there. Now, I will add too, guys, you get roughly about 1,000 activations of this switch before it needs to be recharged with the little battery inside. So all you need to do is just simply put it onto the torch, and it just attaches to it magnetically and then just starts to charge the switch from there. So really straightforward. So on the side switch here, if you press it, it'll come up with 4 green lights, which indicates that it's 70% charged or more. If it's only got 3 green lights, it's 50 to 70%. If it's got 2 green lights, it's 30 to 50%. 1 green light, it's 10 to 30%. And 1 red light, it's under 10%. So you can always have a quick reference to how much charge is left in the torch at any time. Now, you can turn it on by just simply holding down, and then you can cycle through low, medium, high and turbo, and then hold it down and it'll turn off. Or, as some of you may be used to with Olight torches, at the back here you've got your tail switch, and you can just simply press that, goes into turbo, or you press it lightly, it'll just go into that lower mode. And yeah, very easy to select the mode that you want to select with the torch. Okay, so at the time of doing this review, guys, the entire kit is $349.95 here in Australia. Once again, at the time of doing this review, Olight are very aggressive with their pricing, and they've got a flash sale on where you can get the entire kit for $262.46. If you want to have a look at that, have a look in the description here on YouTube. I'll put the link there for you. Okay, so let's wait a little bit longer, guys, till we got a bit more darkness, and we'll get out on the farm and show you what this torch is made of. So I've got the camera behind me, guys, so you can see and have an appreciation for how much light is coming out of this torch. Looking over at the hill here, 200 yards away, you can see just how strong that beam is. So side by side now, guys, we're running the Javelot 2 Turbo on the left, and then we've got the Javelot 2 Pro on the right. Now we're looking at 200 yards away here, so this is to give you an indication of the difference in the beam width. You can see that the Javelot 2 Turbo is definitely a thinner beam. You know, obviously very bright, and then the Javelot 2 Pro is a wider beam, but also very, very bright. So I've got the torch on low, and I'm just using it just to walk along. So in other words, it's only, you know, shooting probably 2 meters in front of me here. But as you can see, it's enough there just to light up where I'm walking without being too bright. So I'm zoomed in here at 100 yards on cattle. Now some are sitting down in the grass, obviously a lot are standing there. You can see the reflection of their eyes and easily make them out. Now this is obviously on the turbo mode. So let's go down to the low, medium and high. So we're down to low mode now. You'll barely be able to see that on the screen. I can see the reflection of their eyes at that distance. Let's go up to medium. Now medium, you can make out the bodies of the cattle. Also, you've got that reflection of their eyes. Go up to high, and then obviously it's like daylight. And then if we go back up to turbo, well, yeah, it's even brighter again. So now we're 200 yards away, guys. Look at that. Turbo mode, it's as bright as day. Let's zoom out here and you can see just how far away this is. I mean, look at that. There is so much light coming out of this torch, it's unbelievable. Even zoom back in, we're on medium mode, and there's enough there to be able to identify them. Let's go up to high. Once again, you can easily see them. Now we're looking at the cattle with the red filter on, guys, at 100 yards. And yeah, I'm actually impressed with that. I know previous models of the torches have struggled a bit, you know, going over that 100 yards, but this is pretty damn clear. You can really see the reflection of their eyes there, identify them clearly enough. Now using the green filter at that same distance, 100 yards away, well, we've got even more visibility. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap up my final thoughts on the Olight Javelot 2 Turbo. I really think there's some key upgrades with this over previous Javelot series. Being that smaller, narrower beam, but they seem to have hit the balance nicely where you can still scan around and have enough field of view, so to speak, at those greater distances there. Even when I ran this side by side with the Javelot 2 Pro, you could see that the Javelot 2 Turbo was brighter because of that narrower beam. So what does that actually give you? It's actually giving you that better punch through those filters where, you know, we were restricted previously because obviously the wider the beam, the less distance you're going to get with those clip-on filters. So for me, guys, I'm not going to be shooting over, you know, 100, 150, 200 absolute max of a night. So this torch does that standing on its head. If you're using just the high mode on this, which as you saw from the review, gives you ample lighting, 360 minutes or 6 hours of continual runtime. I mean, for me, there's a night of spotlighting. But I'm not restricted to being connected to a cigarette lighter plug with a cord like traditional spotlights use. So this lets you be mobile, you can get around, and you know, you can have it just in low when you're walking around so you're not spooking game. And then, you know, when you want to scan around, just click it, put it into the turbo mode or high mode, whatever you want, and scan around, and you've just got a torch that is going to easily work for you in lieu of a spotlight. The charging on it, I like how there's USB-C on it. You can still use a magnetic charging there. but you know what your battery level is at all times there. You know, they've improved the, you know, the dust proofing on this too. So, you know, Australia's a dusty place. You get out on some properties and, you know, they're in drought, it's dusty. So this is going to repel all that. On top of it as well, guys, the switch. I mean, that's probably like the coolest invention. I'm absolutely loving that. So, you know, to be able to mount this to a firearm and simply just have a switch to turn the torch on without having a cord attached or getting caught up or anything like that is just a great improvement as well. So as I said, guys, you know, they're always coming out with new models and very aggressive with their, you know, pricing. So at the time of doing this review, as I said in the intro, click the link below and you can get a real discount on this torch. Now keep in mind, guys, I don't get anything for this, okay? All I'm doing is reviewing the product and giving you a discount code so you can save money at the end of the day. So if you like what you've seen and you think it's going to be good for your needs, by all means, jump on and save yourself some dollars. Okay, we'll leave it at that, guys. Thanks very much for watching, so we'll catch you on the next review.